When I was 16 years old, my big brother, who was my best friend in the world and my hero, he was tragically killed in a car accident. Even in my 16-year-old teenager mind, something was really, really clear to me. I wanted to be the person that used this experience, as painful and difficult as it was, for something so much greater. I started More Family Law Group because I always knew that I wanted to have my own firm. My dad had his own business, and that really inspired me and pushed me to start my own firm. Going through a divorce is extremely difficult. Every single day, our focus is how can we lighten the load for our clients? How can we take the burden off of them? How can we make them be less afraid, less worried, less scared, less frustrated? Our job is to get them through that really painful process in the best way possible so that when they start their next chapter, they are well positioned to go on and do great things. You really have to have a lawyer that is looking out for your best interest, not only today, but for years and decades to come.
I was in a situation where I was being held in contempt for not being able to pay child support. And it was based on an income that I didn't make. Before I met More Family Law Group, I felt really nervous and frustrated with the system. My number one goal was to make sure that I was still able to see my kids, and I realized that I needed somebody who knew what they were doing. I absolutely felt like More Family Law Group had my best interest at heart. 100% of the time, I'd recommend More Family Law Group right off the bat. I feel like I'm in a better place now.
I received a notice that I was being sued from my ex-wife for my sole and separate property. At the time, I had never been in court or in a lawsuit before, so I was extremely nervous. It was uncharted waters for me. I would absolutely recommend More Family Law Group. The process of getting to know Holly and learning about her abilities was impressive, and I think that anybody faced with difficult circumstances in a court of law should consider More Family Law Group.
Life is a hard teacher, but we learn the best lessons through the most difficult circumstances. If you are a professional or a business owner and you find yourself facing a divorce, call More Family Law Group. We understand you, we resonate with you, we relate to you, and we will protect you.